In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all images the same size in Google Docs. It's a simple process, and in just 5 minutes, you'll be able to create a more polished and professional-looking document. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type in Google Docs and press Enter. This will quickly bring you to the Google Docs webpage where you can access your documents. As you might already know, Google Docs is a powerful tool for creating and editing documents online, ideal for collaboration and accessibility on the go. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, click the relevant link to open it, and log in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Enter your credentials and proceed to the next step. Very straightforward if you've used Google services before. Now that you're logged in, open the document where you need to resize the images. Simply click on the document and it will load up in your browser, ready for you to edit. Next, move your cursor to the top menu and click on Extensions. Extensions in Google Docs enhance the functionality of your documents by adding third-party capabilities. After clicking Extensions, you'll want to hover over Add-ons, which are tools that increase productivity and add functionality. Next, click on Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, a hub for various extensions and tools that you can add to your Google Docs experience. In the search bar of the Marketplace, type Set Image Size and hit Enter. This is the add-on we'll be using today to uniformly resize your images. Find the Set Image Size add-on in the results and click on it to view more details. You'll need to install the add-on by clicking the Install button. Follow the prompts and give the necessary permissions to complete the installation. Once installed, it will be accessible through the Extensions menu in your document. With the add-on installed, go back to the top menu of your document, click Extensions, then hover over Set Image Size and select Show Sidebar. The sidebar of the add-on will open on the right side of your document, where you can input the desired dimensions for your images. To resize an image, first, click on an image in your document to select it. Then, in the sidebar, click Get Size to retrieve the current dimensions of the image. Enter the desired width and height in the respective fields, and simply click Apply. The image will resize to the dimensions you've specified. Repeat this process for each image in your document. Click on the image, get the size, enter your desired dimensions, and apply. Continue these steps until all the images in your document are uniform in size. And there you have it. You've successfully resized all images in your Google Doc to be consistent. This simple method ensures that your documents look professional and organized with a uniform image size throughout. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other helpful Google Docs tutorials.